He's going to bring one hand round and just rest it there, like so. Then he's going to bring his other hand over his head. Are you dying right now? No. Yeah, bring it off. Pole, hand on the back of the pole. Okay, he's now looking to feel 3 points of contact. He's got a point at his tailbone, he's got a point of contact with the pole at his upper back, and he's just sorting himself out. He's got a point of contact on his head. So he can feel that pole touching him in 3 positions. Right, now he's going to see if he can hip hinge now by bringing his chest to be facing the floor without losing contact at those 3 points. If he does lose contact at those 3 points, which is brilliant, bit there at the bottom there, yeah, if we bend the legs slightly, so come up again for me. If he does start to lose contact, we know that he's losing his neutral spine position and putting his spine at a bit of risk. When I say putting his spine at risk, he's not going to hurt himself, but if he can teach himself to keep that spine neutral, he can get really good at functional movements. Okay, right. Bend your legs ever so slightly, and now push your butt backwards and see how far you can bend forwards without losing contact. This is brilliant, this is perfect so far. Good. And then we see that the spine starts to bend a little bit as you get